Welcome to the webinar from ASG Technologies. I'm Kaushik Bagchi, Vice President Information Management for ASG Asia Pacific, and we're going to talk about how do we accelerate business transformation. And that's the need of the hour today. We're going to talk about the situation we are in and how we need to build a responsive business around modernization and around building components that help us respond to changes. I will take you through a very quick, small agenda. We are going to talk about the new normal, the environment that this whole new disruption of COVID-19 has enforced on us, and how do we solve some of those challenges by providing a solution, by building responsive businesses. Our solutions that will help our clients build responsive. So let's talk about the new normal. We are hearing it, we are living through it. Over the last 3.5 months, the world has experienced it. It is a funny little chart on the left-hand side which talks about how things have changed in 3 months. Things that were never allowed in places are now being digitized only to use the same things. Mobile phones were never allowed in schools, and today all classes are on mobile. But if we get past the lighter side, this is one of the greatest crises in World War II. And why it's important for us in business to take cognizance of the fact and act accordingly is because these disruptions drive massive change in human behavior. And human behavior change drives change in the how people engage. And when the rules of engagement change, it also changes the rules of doing business. So that is very important, that how we adapt to the changing rules of doing business. Now, how are people getting impacted, and why is it so important to become responsive? So what is driving this change are really 4 important drivers. Is the volatility that we see around us. A lot of leaders believe that without adopting the right technology, they might even cease to exist. Is the whole uncertainty that people have about their data and information, lack of trust on what they're acting on, the massive complexity that the world has been thrown in by the regulatory changes that happen every day, and the huge ambiguity that large transformational programs are dealing with. With those 4 key parameters, organizations are realizing that in turbulent times, it's even more important to become responsive. So let's talk about the complex digital environment today. What is driving this change? So the businesses need 3 really key things. They need trust of how they govern information and how they access it. They need experience, because we understand the distances are going to stay in this new world. And when you need to build relationships at a distance, the only thing that can drive that is really about experience. Whether it's your customer experience, employee experience, but it's really about experience. And the third thing is about agility and flexibility. So unless your systems are agile enough to respond to those business challenges and provide flexibilities for businesses to interact, it would be difficult. And as ASG, we understand that there are 3 key paradigms of technology that will help customers do it. One is, how do we democratize technology and capabilities all across? And that's about SaaS and cloud. How do we drive experience through process and omni-channel into the last mile of mobile? And how do we leverage technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning so the systems can recommend, suggest, adapt, and make decisions which are facilitating human behavior? So with that in mind, we thought that let's present Zenith to you, which we believe is the foundational solution for building responsive businesses. It's an actionable automation that we drive for responsive businesses. So let's look at how we are trying to change life of customers. Most of our large customers have come into this era using traditional solutions. Traditional solutions have lived their life, they have delivered the value they needed to, and they're largely built around disparate technologies. Not because the technologies were not good enough, but they were very relevant at different points in time. They were bought by different LOBs for different purposes. They were separate design environment. They were not integrated. It was very expensive to integrate complex technology. The governance and compliance layers were not integral to the systems, so people needed to build additional layers of top, and the flexibility was reducing. The average cost of doing transactions were increasing. and they were all stuck to large on-premise or large internal data centers. That needs to change. And one of the things we intend to do is shift that from traditional perspectives into how we do it with a modern approach. And when we talk about modern approach, it's about really comprehensive integrated business services. When we looked at the market and understood the need for digitization that customers need to go through, we realized the integrated services that the customer needed. And also training, enablement skills, outsourcing, how far can we stretch? So it's very critical that we build a very simple low-code, no-code design studio that even business guys who really have the ideas and plans can access and build. We built in policy-based compliance inside the platform so that the automated execution of policies and governance is across the platform and not an additional component on top. Is cloud first and ready, built for the native cloud, built to scale so that the vision of a responsive enterprise could be realized at the earliest. Now let's talk about the question of what we intend to drive through actionable automation. If we look at the whole concept of business process, we see three kinds of business processes. If we start from the left, it's really about human-centric. It's about how employees update their information, how dealers update information. It's where a human interfaces with an application to update information. The next one are more like legacy-driven processes, which is something like credit approvals, something like, how do you check certain ratings of your partner? And finally, you'll have content-centric processes, which are something like loan underwriting, something like insurance approval, something like, a document check automatically for credit card approval. Now let's step back and think, as we go through this digitization journey, how do we not only automate microprocesses through robotic process services or technologies like that, but how do we integrate into an end-to-end enterprise orchestration where the human, the paper, and the process, all of that work in tandem, and we drive an end-to-end actionable automation to human, legacy, and content-centric processes. So with that in mind, ASG Zenith provides you the capability. So it's a completely new generation cloud-ready technology which helps you build a responsive business. It has 5 key services, as you can see: presentation services for experience, process services for entire process orchestration and visibility across the enterprise, robotic services to drive automation, decision services to be able to build rules on the fly and implement it across the enterprise, and repository services to handle your entire barrage of unstructured data so that we can store them, act on that. And it's a SaaS platform. And on top of that, we expect our customers and partners to build business solutions, because ultimately the outcomes are what makes a huge business difference. So we expect our customers to build accelerators to solve business problems, and so will our partners. More and more, we are seeing our partners adopting Zenith to build end customer solutions, which customers can deploy extremely fast as part of their responsiveness journey. And all of this is experienced in an omni-channel manner across web, tablets, and phones. You build it once, you deploy it, and it's extremely deployment friendly, very easily manageable across the enterprise, and drives a seamless omni-channel experience. And let's talk about ASG here, because once you bring a platform, our customers ask us, how are you able to deliver this outcome? So ASG is a global company. We have 3,500 global customers, about 30-year-old history, about 1,100 employees. And the important part is we are not in this alone. We also have a large set of global partners. We actually work on our technology to fulfill this vision, starting from business partners to global outsourcers to technology alliances. We cover the entire spectrum from names like KPMG, EY, Helix, Episoft, through the entire spectrum of building technology frameworks, working with global integrators or small partners who could work with us and fulfill your vision of building a responsive enterprise. So if I have to summarize this in one chart and say, what is the benefit that you would be really looking around? If you have a digital process in mind, and if you believe that would help you change your business fast, we believe that we can deliver that in half the time and half the cost. And that's really the sum of it. As we all navigate through difficult times, it is very, very important that we drive agility and we save cost. And we believe Zenith as a platform helps you do this. This is just the promise. We would request you to get in touch, ask us questions, reach to us so that we can have this engagement forward. And what we just claimed, we can have a detail of this. Now, this is the first part of a 3-part webinar that you are hearing. And post this, our colleagues are going to take you through a little bit of deeper engagement around actionable automation and content-driven process. And as they demonstrate capabilities of the platform, you will see how we live up to the promise we made, that we help you deliver digital processes at half the time and half the cost. Thank you for your time.